All right, good day, everybody. This is Jed at White Wave Trading. It's been a busy, busy morning. Um, let's just get to it. Here's the gold. And what is really important is the silver right there. This morning, the silver in the cash market ran 50-year buy stops and summarily came right back down. The futures, the high in the futures was 49.96 and a half. Personally, I thought they were going to go get the stops in the futures and then possibly come back down through, but this is a massive, major rejection. That's a 5-decade rejection. So I took the last buys in the silver were at 28 bucks. I took 85% of my silver off, almost all of my gold off, and a bunch of my platinum off, all against running 50-year buy stops. Now the question is, how far do we come back down before at some point in time we come back up and run the buy stops in the futures? Well, right now that's an unknown. What I am looking at is possibly this could be another April to August consolidation where it could take into February before the metals bottom out again. So I'm in no hurry to really do much here. Now, when you look at the quote board, when you look at my point and figures, long-term point and figures in silver, all it's done is fill out this bell curve. That's all it's done. But, I want to be a little prudent. Platinum went up there, and now it has to hold this low around 1650. Otherwise, it's going to scoot back down a little bit more. Everything ran off the silver. Everything. Gold bonds, that's an ORL day. There's a lot of this in the miners. And it frankly ran a lot of price action across the board, and that started a small sell-off in the indices as well. So this is just a courtesy alert to tell you that I took a lot of my trade-off up here in both the gold and the silver, and the last buys in the gold. Let me just put that up. We're back in August at the top of the cloud and into some fibs and into some of my proprietary work. This was a no-heat trade. It's been going up ever since. I have higher targets in the gold in the upper 4300s. And right now you can see that it has to hold right down in here to avoid a deeper correction. So we'll see how this plays out over the next few trading sessions. We could, from here, for all I know, we go all the way back up to 40.80 in the gold. But you have to take this a day at a time up here. It was a free place off the silver to take some money, and that's exactly what we did. Okay, that's it for today. If you'd like to join the room and join us live while we're doing this stuff, just go to whitewavetradingstrategies.com, put in your name and your email, and you can join us in the room. I've got over 50 years of trading, and most of the guys in here have been doing it for decades, and they're all successful with varying styles. So, it's a good environment to be involved with. Okay, that's it for